Is a video of Little John, which I've had for quite a few years, but the batteries, it had rechargeable batteries in it, but they gave up the ghost a month or two ago, and what I had to do was order a new kind of set, which there used to be 6 AA batteries, but now there's just 4, and to get them you have to take the body off here and do a little bit of resoldering and put it all back and screw the body from underneath back on again. And now I want to test that it's working, and because previously the batteries really weren't, they just weren't holding their charge, but now it does seem that it's working not too bad. So off we go. I'm using a radio control to do it, one-handed, so it's a bit tricky, and here we go. Now it doesn't go as fast as it used to go because there's less power in it actually. Now we're just 4 batteries, but it does seem to be working, and the radio control is working. You can see the other train that I have there, which is a SR and RI Sandy River and Langley Lake, and I've got the Shay here. Now the Shay is a manual one, propane, and but it's not radio controlled, and the one over there is radio controlled, the engine up there. And I'm waiting for one that I purchased, I don't know, 4 years ago, which has been a right horror, an Aster Tiger Lily. So, but hopefully that is coming back, and the carriages that are going behind the Little John should be for that, because they're the same type of era. So you can see that that's going quite well, and it can reverse as well. And with the old batteries in, it just wasn't doing any of that. So I'm pleased. It took a little bit to take off the body and without mucking everything up, but I did it, and then resoldered on the new batteries, so that and then tested them out today, and I'm pleased to say everything is working well. And these 2 carriages behind Little John will look forward, I'm sure, to actually going with the Tiger Lane.